Hello everybody, my name is Marek and today I will do this unboxing of Bentley Mulsanne. It came just yesterday, the scale is 1:18, and the first thing I'm gonna do here is to really cut this through and open the box. So I will do it like that. Okay. I can already see the Bentley logo and the inner box. So let's just move this out. Oh yeah. Nice. It's very nice white box. There is some kind of ID, or it's a QR code. Later I can go there to see if there is some reward that I purchased this one. I'm not sure. Okay, it's actually a toy. Sometimes models are not recommended for children under 12 years. This one is actually a toy. Oh, here's this advice, 14 plus, okay. So I'm eligible for this one actually. I'm glad. Okay, and here you can already see the car, what is inside. Bentley Mulsanne 1:18. It's a black one, and the one great thing about this one, and I will just remove all the mess before I proceed. The good thing about this one was that it was pretty cheap. And you will not believe me when I say it was only $45 US. And normally a model like this is at least, I would say, $200. Yeah, from Auto Art or Kyosho or any other brand, it would be over 200 or even over 300. This one was only 45 by Rastar, and this is why I'm so interested, because I would like to see the quality of this car. Would it be really 6 times worse than the one from Auto Art? Yes or no? I don't know. Let's find out today. Okay, so let's first open the box. There is another sticker. Okay. Now I don't know what is the top side. But we will find out soon. So there is this plastic, and oh, actually there is some kind of brochure, or I don't know what exactly it is. I have never seen that. Sometimes there is a certificate, but it doesn't look like a certificate, it's just a brochure probably. Okay, and now let's remove the cover. Okay. Cool, I can already see the car. Yeah, so at first sight. That's a very nice color. It's really black and it's huge and also quite heavy, but I will see just after I completely move it out of the box. Are there any screws? No, there are no screws. I don't know how to remove this one. It's really difficult. Okay, here we go. Wow. Nice. I like it. Okay, so let's see if this was worth $45. And probably the first thing I see here, and I will just take something to show you here, the front grille. Actually there are tiny holes in it, but it looks like there are no holes at all. I think those holes should be a little bit larger. Yeah, it's just too small. And then with the Bentley logo, I hope you can see it. It's a little bit too large, you know. It should be more flat and not here. So the height of it, it's just too much. Okay, then show me the lights. Oh, there is actually a hole here. I don't know if the actual car has a hole here. There is a hole. Okay. I will need to check later if the real car has a hole as well. And there is a smaller light just here. The license plate, it says just Bentley. And then we have the wheels. Not so bad. There is a sign, Bentley is written here on the caliper, and the brake is barely visible, but there is a brake. Okay, then we have here this Bentley logo, and here I can already see some, you know, mistakes, or I would say quality gaps, or improvement areas for Rastar. For example, here the whole, you know, this gap between the door and the rest of the car, it's too big, and you know, it's just too big. And it's fully closed, by the way. It's fully closed, but it's still very big. You see here? Okay. For $45 I can accept that, but I believe if you purchase a model which would be like $300, the gap wouldn't be there, or at least I would not expect that. Okay. And from the other side, everything looks okay. Yeah, maybe here again, you know, this glass here is just somehow shifted, and it should be maybe, can you see that? It should be like that. It should be like that, but actually it's moved a little bit. There is some kind of overlap. Oh, I don't... You know, if you are really into details, then you would find many flaws on this model. On the other side, the rear end, the same logo. I think they used the same piece twice. Once in the front, once in the back. It's also here, it's too large. And then the Bentley license plate. And actually, the exhausts. Yeah, okay. The rear lights, not so bad, not so bad. And then let me just check inside of the trunk. What is there? Okay, and I need to open it probably with more power. All right. Okay. So, what is there? Another piece of chrome. Then inside, not sure if this is visible. Okay, there is a carpeting. So this is a nice feature on all models. If there is carpeting, I'm always satisfied. Okay, so this is nice and cool. I'll close it. Now let's see here this part right here. And this cannot be opened. Okay, no problem. I'm always checking also the mirrors, and they cannot be folded. No, they are just like they are. But the good thing is, and not sure if you can see that, the reflection in the glass, this is great. It's just a sticker, but it's almost like real. Now let's open the hood, and there is a button here. If you press that button, it will move the hood a bit, and then you'll be able to open it. Okay. So what is inside? I can see the engine, the gray parts here with a Bentley sign on it, and this is the heart of the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cylinders, and here I can see some filters, and I'm not sure about the front part here. Yeah, I would also expect some more details, but in the end I would say this is average, or just little below average. Okay, so let's close it. And finally, let's have a look inside. That's my favorite part. And I'm opening the door, and I will just open both of them. Okay. So what you can see there, here, this is the steering wheel in 2 colors, and you know, Bentley logo on it. Wow, this is pretty detailed. Here, everything with chrome. Also, the transmission, the shift gear, everything here. Oh, also the buttons on the front seat. You know, this is what maybe change. Here is the front seat, because it's just plastic, you know, and sometimes I would also expect a different material, something more soft or gentle to touch. This is just plastic. And also here, this part here, it's a part of the chair, but it should be a separate one, you know. Okay, and in the rear, in the back seat, what do we have? There is carpeting on the floor, excellent. Let's now check also the doors. And yeah, this is cool. There are some cool details. Also in the front. The buttons here. This one actually doesn't have space for umbrella like the Rolls-Royce. It should be here, but it isn't there. Okay, and just checking now the other side, and you can see the big, huge gap here. Okay, I don't even need to use this handle, because I can use it. You open it just by using the big gap. And the same details, a lot of chrome here, the audio with the speakers, one speaker here, second is here, and by the way, I can't move this table here, but it's okay. And let me just open this door. Let's have a look inside. Wow. I hope you like it. Just imagine, this is for $45 from Rastar, and even if there are some small like mistakes or flaws, it's still really nice, and it's heavy. You can really feel the metal, and it's a very heavy die-cast model. It's also large and it's long, and for that kind of money, I would say, if you don't have it, just go and buy it, because you will barely find a better model in this price range. This is quite exceptional. Okay, so I will just place it here, and oh, by the way, can you see how much I can rotate the wheels? The angle, you know, sometimes you can just go from here maybe to here, but this one you can go even here. It's really like, wow. And one thing that we haven't seen so far is the bottom of the car. Okay, so what do we have here? Rastar, that's the brand. We have Bentley Mulsanne, scale 1 to 18, the production number, made in China. And there are some details. Oh, and look at the suspension. I am now really wondering. This is a real metal suspension here. Can you see that? Amazing. Now I'm really impressed, and I want to check if this suspension is working and how much. Okay. Okay, it's not that soft, but it is working. Wow, that's a nice feature on this model, and you would enjoy it. Okay, so I think that's it. It's my favorite model, and for $45, I repeat 45, that's a really good deal. Thank you for watching this episode, and see you next time. Bye bye.